Hello, my dear friends, it's Sava and
Kiri. My name is Kiri.
Yeah. Today we will play the rhythms app and you will choose who played better. Okay, let's get started. A random level just for you guys. Level 44.
No, God, please.
Right now. Not bad. Okay. Not bad. The third level.
Never stop. Never stop.
Life mode.
Never stop.
Okay.
Never stop.
33.
Whoa. Okay.
Write in comment section below about these kind of videos. If you like this, we will continue. See ya.
Bye bye.